How to remove threads from Instagram bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove threads ID from your Instagram bio, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you just recently joined Threads on Instagram, and whenever you come to your profile page you find a random numbers right under your bio, and that's basically the number of the applicant. That means on which number you actually join the Threads application and join their platform. That is one of those IDs of that, and that's just the number of series of random letters and so on. And if you want to remove that, it is actually very simple. As you can see, I do not have it in mind. I've already removed it. In order to remove it, all you have to do is just tap on that badge. Yes, and when you tap on that badge, you'll most likely get a little pop-up asking you to hide the badge option. So if you want to hide it completely, you can tap the hide badge option and your threads from Instagram bio should be gone forever. That's simply how it goes. You just need to make sure to tap on it, and then the threads from bio will be successfully removed. This way you can remove threads from Instagram bio. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.